The Adventure of Miraculous GLOOB. Help me! I have hiccups!
Gina! Ghoulie! Emergency!
Called Gogo.
Gina! Help me!
Pleaded Gogo.
What's the matter, Go?
Asked Gina.
I...
Gogo said haltingly.
Oh, you have hiccups,
said Gina.
Don't just say, oh, this is important problem. Help me.
Gogo panicked.
Yes, Gogo, it's fatal.
Teased Ghoulie. Instantly, Gogo's eyes widened and his face whitened.
Ghoulie, don't do that. Calm down, Gogo. Hiccups normally will end by itself. I've had hiccups before,
said Gina.
Ghoulie, you're being mean to me.
Gogo complained.
Don't get upset, my friend. I am sorry. I was just joking with you. By the way, I have 3 tips to get rid of hiccups. Do you want to try?
Asked Ghoulie. Gogo nodded resignedly. He really wanted his hiccups to end.
Okay, follow my tips. First, you have to stand on one leg. Wait until 10 minutes,
said Ghoulie. Gogo obeyed. But the hiccups did not stop.
Okay, this is the second way. You have to jump up and down for 10 minutes,
said Ghoulie. Gogo followed Ghoulie's advice. After 10 minutes, the hiccups were still there.
It looks like you have bad hiccups. Here's the third way. Rub your belly with your right hand while your left hand patted the head. Then do it the other way around,
said Ghoulie. Gogo also followed this advice. After a while, Gogo's hiccups still didn't stop.
Enough, Ghoulie. I can't do it anymore. Maybe I will have hiccups for the rest of my life.
Gogo sighed.
I wonder why the tips didn't work. I am sorry, Go. Be patient and don't give up,
Ghoulie said encouragingly.
If I have hiccups for the rest of my life, I will be ridiculed by the other groups. If that happened, do you still want to be my friend?
Gogo asked sadly.
Gogo, you're my best friend. You think only because of hiccups we will not be friends anymore? Come on, don't give up,
said Gina.
We are your best friends, Go. Never doubt that again,
consoled Ghoulie. Gogo couldn't hide his sadness. His body turned white again. Gina did not have the heart to see her friend in sadness.
Guys, wait here,
said Gina. She immediately took her flying umbrella and instantly she arrived home. She took a big bottle of water, then go back to meet her friends.
Go, drink this. This is miraculous water. This will make your hiccups stop,
said Gina.
Magical water? Where did you get this?
Asked Gogo.
Just drink it,
Gina suggested. Gogo immediately finished the drink. But Gogo still wanted to drink more. Eventually, Gina took another magical drink from her home. Gogo's stomach was finally full and he felt sleepy. Not long after, Gogo fell asleep.
The magical drink really has magical power. Evidently, Gogo gone straight to sleep and I did not hear the sound of a hiccup again. I think Gogo hasn't realized that yet,
said Ghoulie.
Shh! Poor Gogo worried too much because of hiccups. The drink was just normal water. I had to make up stories to make him calm. Forgive me, Gogo. I promise to tell the truth when you wake up,
Gina whispered with a smile.